When an extraordinary idea is put in practice, excellence follows. And when an innovation is reinforced by quality, success happens. Tulsi Agro Engi Mech Pvt Limited. Founded in the year 2006 at Rajkot, Gujarat, we have established ourselves as one of the foremost manufacturers of agro-food cleaning and milling machines in India. We had a humble beginning as we started Unit 1 in 10,000 square feet area at Rajkot. Then, as the demand of our products grew, we expanded our business and established Unit 2 at Barudi in 50,000 square feet area in 2017 and Unit 3 also at Barudi in 60,000 square feet area in 2020. Some people dream of success while others work hard and make it happen. Just like our visionary directors, Mr. Ankur Kaneria and Chirag Balodia, who have paved the way for path of success of Tulsi Agro on the ethos of inherent integrity, passion to innovate, technical excellence and unwavering customer focus. Renowned across the industry for our highly innovative, top-notch quality products, we offer a wide-ranging product portfolio to our customers that contains fully automatic chakki atta plant, roller flow mill plant, maize wheat plant, dal mill plant, multi-purpose vibro cleaning plant, color sorter, magnetic separator, blower typer pulverizer, spices processing plant, peanut processing plant, packing machine, stone remover machine, cassava flow mill and maize flow mill plant. We have developed an ultra-modern infrastructure which has been divided into various departments as per its functions, such as an R&D department, a well-equipped production facility, dedicated quality control department, and an administration wing. When we receive an order from our valued client, the first step is to procure the best quality raw materials from the reliable vendors and perform the necessary quality checks. Then the raw materials are sent to the machine shop for our various processes: laser cutting, CNC bending, round bending depending on the type of product, welding, Now the machined components are assembled properly and forwarded for finishing. Painting and then labeling and packaging. At every step of the process, necessary quality tests are thoroughly conducted by the most experienced professionals using the latest instruments. We are an ISO 9001:2015, OHSAS 18001:2007 and CE certified organization with an utmost commitment to produce world-class quality products. These products, after a pre-dispatch inspection, sent for final inspection and then dispatch. We also make sure that our customers get proper installation and commissioning as well as quick and reliable after-sales service. Our products are widely used by some of the most respected and well-known organizations like Amul Dairy, Sumul Dairy, Akshapatra Foundation, Vagdara Tribal Foods, Farmer Producer Company in different states of India, and seed companies like Akshay Seeds, Nidhi Seeds, Tolia Seeds, and Jaja's Food. Apart from these, we also supply to UP State Rural Livelihood Mission, agricultural universities in Gujarat, and World Food Program run by UN in India. We have managed to reach many states of India effortlessly, and apart from the domestic market, we have also conquered the global market by exporting to more than 80 countries worldwide. A highly skilled and motivated workforce is our most precious asset, carrying the responsibility of our business motto. Always deliver more than expected. Tulsi Agro Engi Mech Pvt. Limited. Quality above everything else.